Respect is very important for any relationship. It is what keeps us together and makes us happy. But what if you meet someone who does not respect you or others? This person is called a narcissist. They only care about themselves and do not care about your feelings. They make you feel bad and try to control you. You need to know how to deal with narcissists. They are not honest or nice. They hide their true self behind a fake smile. We will show you how to see through their lies and tricks. We will also show you how they do not respect themselves and why they act this way. We invite you to join us as we explore how to make a narcissist respect you. Sometimes, the best way to improve your relationship is not to change them, but to understand them and act smartly. We will share with you 5 effective ways to get respect from the stubborn world of narcissism. Every relationship should have respect as its base. How narcissists act and why they don't respect. We have seen how respect is very important for any relationship. Now let's look at how narcissists act and why they don't respect anyone. Narcissists only think about themselves and want to be the best in everything. They treat relationships like a show where they are the main actor and everyone else is just there to help them. They use tricks to make people do what they want. They can lie, make people feel guilty, or blame others for their problems. They do this to make themselves look good and powerful. They don't care about respect as a feeling. They only use it as a tool to get what they want. Narcissists don't respect anyone, not even themselves. They don't care about other people's feelings or needs. They only care about their own. But deep inside, they don't like themselves. They have a big ego that hides a weak self-image. They always need other people to praise them and make them feel good. We can see that getting respect from narcissists is not easy. It is not about doing what they say. It is about knowing why they do what they do and how to deal with them in a smart way. We will show you how to do that in this video. We will share with you 5 ways to make a narcissist respect you, even if they are very selfish. How to make narcissists respect you. 1. Respect yourself. One of the best things you can do when dealing with a narcissist is to respect yourself. When you have self-confidence and trust in yourself, you can protect yourself from their tricks. Imagine you have a strong armor that blocks their attacks. They may try to make you feel bad or doubt yourself, but you don't let them. When you respect yourself, you show the narcissist that you are not afraid of them. You have a clear sense of who you are, and you don't change because of them. Narcissists, strangely, have some respect for people who don't act like them. It's like your confidence breaks their fake story, and they have to admit that you are strong. But how do you get this self-respect? It starts with knowing and appreciating your skills, celebrating your successes, and being proud of your differences. Self-confidence helps you to go through the hard times with a narcissist and to keep your value no matter what they say. 2. Be distant. We have seen how self-respect is very important. Now let's look at the second thing you can do, keeping some distance. Why is distance important when you deal with narcissists? It is because they are very insecure. Narcissists want to control everything. And the closer you are, the more they think they can make you do what they want. By staying away from them a little bit, you make them uncomfortable. This distance helps you to avoid their tricks. They can't find out your weak points and use them to hurt you. You should know that this distance is not about being mean or rude. It is about taking care of your feelings. Think of it as having a good limit that protects you from their bad behavior while letting you talk to them when you want to. Keeping distance also makes them curious. Narcissists like what they can't have or control. So by being less available, you become a mystery they want to solve. It is a smart way to change the situation, making them doubt their usual ways and giving you a chance for a more respectful conversation. Keep watching for more tips on this difficult problem. Let's go on. 3. Have something that they want. We have learned 2 things to make a narcissist respect you. Now let's look at the third thing. Having something that they want and like. Why is this important? It is because narcissists love to get attention and power from others. Think of it as having a key to a door that they really want to open. This key could be praise, popularity, or something that matches their hunger for success and status. By using what they want, you get a place in their world, making the way for respect to grow. Narcissists, who always want to be perfect and loved, are more likely to respect those who have things or skills that they want. It's a quiet way of finding something in common, a shared thing that makes you less of an enemy and more of a friend. In their eyes, you become a useful person, someone who helps them reach their goals. But you have to be careful with this strategy. It's not about giving up your values or honesty, but rather knowing what they like and showing them those things. 4. Don't need them for anything. We have learned 3 things to make a narcissist respect you. Now let's look at the 4th thing. Don't need them for anything. Knowing that narcissists are not reliable is important to use this strategy well. Narcissists are not steady or trustworthy. They don't have the qualities that make us trust and respect someone. If you depend on them for anything, like emotional help, approval, or anything else, you will be let down. It's like building a house on sand. It will fall apart. Being independent in your feelings and money is very important in this strategy. By being on your own, you show the narcissist that you are not easy to control or trick. You say that you can take care of yourself, and you don't need them to make you happy or valuable. This strategy is not about being alone or shutting yourself off. It is about taking care of your well-being and having a limit that stops the narcissist from using your weak points to hurt you. You change the situation, making it clear that your respect is not free, but has to be earned by being good. 5. Act like you don't know. We have learned 4 things to make a narcissist respect you. Now let's look at the last thing. Act like you don't know. Knowing that narcissists don't like to be understood is important to use this strategy well. Narcissists like to feel superior and powerful. When they think they know something that others don't, it makes them feel in control. By pretending to be clueless sometimes, you change this situation, making it more unpredictable. Think of it as a chess game where you don't show all your moves. This makes them wonder and worry about what you are planning. Narcissists don't like it when someone sees through their lies or questions their story. Acting like you don't know everything about their goals or ideas makes them curious, making them rethink their beliefs. This strategy is not about being dishonest, but rather about keeping some things to yourself. It's a gentle dance where you decide what to share and what to hide, making a balance that keeps the narcissist interested. As we finish our learning about how to make a narcissist respect you, remember the skill of acting like you don't know. It's a smart way to break their usual rules, making the way for a more respectful talk. We have learned 5 things to make a narcissist respect you. In the end, these things are not about changing the narcissist, but about knowing and dealing with them in a smart way. Remember, the secret is not to look for their approval, but to make a relationship with respect. As we finish this learning, we hope you will share your thoughts, like, and subscribe to help our channel. Your support is important to make a community that helps each other. Thank you for learning with us, and until next time, be wise and strong in these hard situations.